Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove the background of any image using remove.bg. Remove.bg is an online tool that automatically removes the background from any image, making it easy to change the background to something else. Step 1. Upload your image. The first step is to upload the image that you want to change the background of. You can either drag and drop the image onto the remove.bg website or click on the Upload Image button to select the image from your computer. Step 2. Wait for the background to be removed. Once you've uploaded your image, and the website will automatically remove the background from the image. This usually only takes a few seconds but may take longer for larger images. Step 3. Download your image with transparent background. Once the background has been removed, you can download the image with a transparent background. Simply click on the download button to save the image to your computer. And there you have it. That's how you can easily change the background of any image using remove.bg. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.